Okay, now I will do the panda of the eyes, and I create M to bring down the material editor, and I create this one, and I create bitmap, and I choose the texture I wanna burn aside show, and I will adjust the UV value. And I will also do the right eyes. Okay, done it.